I'm going to show you how very simple and easy it is to make your own dishwasher powder, which means you can avoid using commercial dishwasher powder, which, even if it's an eco version, has really harmful chemicals in it that damage your gut. And there's only 4 ingredients necessary. We are going to be using super Arm & Hammer washing soda, which is pure and natural since 1874, has many uses including laundry, bathroom, kitchen, silver and upholstery. Nothing nasty in there, they have a lasting environmental commitment. We have same brand, Arm & Hammer baking soda, and we're going to be using I'm using vitamin C powder. You can use citric acid or ascorbic acid, and the other ingredient is sea salt. Citric acid or ascorbic acid, which is what this is. The purpose of this recipe either works. And 1/4 cup in this little tiny 1/4 cup measure of salt, and I'm using sea salt. And that's it, that's all the ingredients. There's no fragrance, which can be so damaging to our guts, and there's no chemicals. This is going to give you enough for about 3 cups, 44 loads. You use a tablespoon per dishwashing load. Simply mix that up, a couple of lumps in there, and you're just going to use about a tablespoon every time. Just put it straight into the powder dispenser in your dishwasher, and I'm just going to give it a good mix. What this will avoid is a range of issues, including inflammation, autoimmune disorders, damaging the delicate balance of our gut microbiome, and even mental health disorders, because of course there's a very close relationship between what goes on in the gut and what goes on in the brain. And the problem is with commercial dishwasher tablets or pods is they do have a lot of harmful chemicals in them. They have surfactants, or like sodium lauryl sulfate or SLS, which causes intestinal permeability or leaky gut disorder. They have chlorine-based compounds like chlorinated trisodium phosphate, which is a stain removal and whitening chemical. And these chemicals can lead to the formation of harmful byproducts and damage our gut cells and promote inflammation. Also fragrances and dyes, gut irritation. If it's not rinsed fully, then all these chemicals are being ingested by us. And the pods are even worse because they release chemicals into the air when those plastics that they're coated in break down, and those microscopic particles can be inhaled or ingested. This by contrast is going to give you a safe way to wash your dishes very cheaply, because this packet cost me about 10 quid. This one was about 3 quid. I only used 1 cup of this one. Put it there so you can see it again. I bought both of these on Amazon. I bought my vitamin C powder or ascorbic acid or citric acid. Both of them will work. I also bought that on Amazon, and sea salt, as you know, you can buy anywhere. And this can be used for many other things, and you will find many other uses for it. I hope you found that helpful. The reason I made this video was there are now studies proving the link between gut dysbiosis, gut problems, many issues, autoimmune conditions, etc., related to chemicals that we're ingesting from things like our dishwasher powder. This is an eco-friendly, cheap way of making something that is not going to impact you or the environment, and works just as well. And if you want extra shine on your dishes, you can just add a couple of tablespoons of vinegar, any vinegar, just white vinegar will do, into your dishwasher as well for extra shine. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will continue to bring you more healthy content. Thanks for watching.